On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix too many attempts problem on Telegram app. So the first way is you have to open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. After you go to the apps manager, right here, you will find all the apps on your phone. So all what you have to do is just search for Telegram app until you find it, click on it, and then click on this option to stop running the app. It's called force stop. Go to the data usage, make sure that all those options are enabled, go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and that's the first way. The second way is you have to restart your phone, because sometimes the problem just because of your phone you have to restart it. And the third way and the last one is you have to update your Telegram. If you don't know how to update it, I'm gonna show you how. Just go to Play Store, search for Telegram and click on update. Right here you will find it. You can do the same thing on the iPhone, iOS. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.